So we're here in Seward, Chugach Range, doing a little avi pit, and pretty big rain crust here. I saw it give way a few times, but it wasn't too bad. South aspect. I'd still ski this. Matt, what do you think? Would you still ski this?
Yeah, we got a pretty big overhang here for a drop off, but I think it's manageable.
Yep. I would still ski this.
You can get 2 turns out of this.
Now it's good. Nada.
It's so good to be back in the shop.
He literally got back at 1 a.m. and it's already like 6 a.m. when we're in the shop. Like we just
No, he's not. He's lying. It's not 6 a.m.
It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Man, Matt, you outdid yourself. This is some high quality stuff you're producing today.
Yeah, it's really good to get repurposed for anybody that has rabbits, guinea pigs, any sort of small animals that are pets.
Or large animals that wet the bed.
Good for humans.
Really short day today, but we were able to add 2 more to the stack of completed timbers.
We don't have a lot of opportunities to tan in Alaska. The sun's been gone for quite a few months now.
It's women weather in Alaska. It's 40 degrees.
First warm day of the year, and we're going tanning. Look at those mountains in the background. Tim, you're looking mighty fine.